Hey, what's up guys, this is Cameraman from Cameraman Gunpla Studio, and today got here model kit from 1996 from Bandai, and this is the 1/100 scale high grade model of the Gundam Air Master Burst from the Gundam anime series After War Gundam X. And although this is a bit underrated, the show is a bit underrated, but for me this has a good plot, and I really like the story of this kid or this anime. And it so happened that I also like the characters, especially the pilot of this one and the Leopard, Gundam Leopard. So he's Uzi. I forgot the name, but what is it? Witzu, I think. Yes, it's Witzu. And the pilot for the Leopard is Roy, like that. So they has this very interesting story also. Interesting characters. They are interesting characters. So I got here this very old but still a neat looking kit, 1/100 scale kit. And unfortunately Bandai doesn't make a master grade out of this, which I already wait for so long. But since I cannot wait for that, I tried looking for the high grade 1/100 since I collect 1/100 scale kit. So fortunately I saw one from Mandarake, Japan, and yep, in a hefty price. So I still bought it to include in my collection. So let's have a quick review for this kit. This kit is a bit simple, but the polycaps for this kit tends to loosen up a bit, so I don't play too much with this kit because of that issues. So because of the oldness of the kit also. Okay, so let's have a quick review for this. The head here, I really like this chrome gold finish for the V-fin, and also here in the vents, the chest vents, and yep, it has a good vibe to me. Okay, so there, the head can rotate 360 degrees there, but I will not rotate it too much. So there it can rotate like that. And for the shoulder, the shoulder of course is a bit bulky because of this wing or thruster parts for the transformation. So the flap here can raise to this far, like that, for the transformation. So I will raise it up like that. So the hands or the arms can rotate. If there is no structure like this, it can rotate 360 degrees, but because of this it cannot do so. And the elbows can bend up to this far. Yes, the traditional polycaps for that. And then as you can see, it can easily pop off, so I will not play with that too much. And there, it can have this kind of bend backwards. And the hands are on the ball joint. So the hands are the classic hands from the 1/100 scale lines during that time. So it's the same with the Gundam Wing high grade 1/100. At the same time, the Gundam or the G Gundam series 1/100 scale. So they got all the same set of hands like that, and also the polycaps. Okay, the weapon here, it got this extra weapon, this shotgun-like weapon with the missile attached, or two rockets, I mean, on the side. So it's a beam shotgun with a missile launcher. Very cool. And okay, can still remove it there, so you can launch it to the enemies. Okay, and can attach again here. There we go, we got this missile launcher and beam shotgun, something like that. There's a bonus for this kit, but the main weapon for this kit is this two rifles here attached in the side of the side skirts. Okay, but that's a bit stuck. Okay, cannot remove it. Anyway, it's a bit stuck since I'm not playing with this kit so much. So there we go. I need to force it. I need to pull it with force like that. There. So there we got this socket here, and we got this peg here. Okay. So the side skirt can raise up to that far without this gun, but okay, the thing here is being pulled. Okay, there you go. So don't force the side skirt to raise up like that because you will pull it from the polycap. Okay. So the front skirts can move independently like that, so there are no details underneath, and the legs can kick up to this far, and it can bend double jointed with the help of the polycap there. Okay. And for the feet, can move side to side, do some plantar extend and plantar flex, and we got a moving flap here for the feet or ankle armor, and there can also do the extensive plantar extend for the transformation. Okay, so let's discuss about the armaments of this kit. So the armaments here, we got the beam rifles, and the handle is being folded inwards. So there we go. You can unfold it or pull it down like that, and so you can hold this rifle nicely like this, and the other one like that. Okay, so there we go. It's a main weapon from the anime, and always shoots and assists the Gundam Air Mass, Gundam X, and the Gundam Leopard while fighting. Okay. There we go. That's his purpose here. Okay, so I bet I can have some action-based stand attached there to pose it like this. Shooting pose like that. Pew, 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 pew. So for the transformation, to make it the flight mode, still you need to remove the head from the torso. So you need to pull it, and we got here the polycap. So it's the same with the high grade or the no grade version for this kit, the 144 scale. You need to remove the head. And so how to assemble this to the flight mode, you need to straighten up the arms, you need to rotate the torso just like the wing Gundam. So you need to rotate it, and then you need to fold it here on this part. Okay, and so we got to lock it like this. So it's a bit hard to lock, by the way, so I think we need to pull it first. I forgot the sequence, by the way. Anyway, it's like this. Then we need to unfold the cockpit here. Okay, and move it forward like that, but be careful because this is a bit annoying here, and I'm very afraid to pull things here because it's a bit fragile. Okay, like that. And so we got the head or the torso transformed, so we need to flop this thing out and flip this thing and slide it like this and arrange the this one, these cannons here, the beam cannons, and we need to a bit fold the legs outward, I think, just like that, but something like this. Oh, it's a bit hard to adjust. Anyway, yep, like that. And also this one, the other one, we need to fold it like that, raise up like this. Okay, there we go. So the head or the feet should be like this, and for the hands should stay like this. Okay, oops, what happened there? Okay, and so the guns, you can place it here on the side, and also the other one on this side. Then there you go, we got the Gundam Air Master Burst flight mode in its full glory, like that. Very simple. And you can have the Gundam Leopard stand on this footstools here, so they can fly or together like that. Very cool, as you can see. So for quick size comparison, let's compare it with a master grade RX-78 here from Bandai. So this is a bit shorter than the RX-78 because Gundam X and the other series from the Gundam Wing and the G Gundam has smaller or shorter stature compared with the UC kits. So it's about 17 centimeters or 17.5 centimeters in height. And let's compare it with my larger scale kits here. So I got here this 100 scale Jida from the Moon Gundam, and of course it powers the Gundam Air Master Burst, and it's only on the waist level of the Jida here. So again, thank you so much for watching this review of the ancient model kit here from Bandai, which came from the 1996 high grade 1/100 scale lines of Bandai, which is the Air Master Burst. Thank you so much. This is Kimberman from Kimberman Gunpla Studio saying good night. God bless. Take care.